This thing here is actually for a show truck only. It's a 2000 model, 379. It's got a signature 600 ISX Cummins in it, 18 speed, 336 gear ratio. We put a different grill in it. We put different headlights on it. Took the cab, motor, and everything come off of it. Completely repainted the frame, motor, transformation. We redone the inside of it to a certain degree. Shaved the dash, made it all slick. New door panels, handmade door panels for it. Completely redone the interior in it, all the match. We took the bed out of the bunk and put a couch back in it. The truck was originally the charcoal gray color, and I had the bright idea in my mind that I wanted a green frame and like a charcoal gray on the bottom and a light gray or silver on top. And that's why I come up with this color here. And it was actually a car hauling truck, and we took the rack off and it sat in my yard for like 2 years before I ever done anything with it.